Hi everyone, Tatiana is here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here for a while, you know how much I love helping bass players to grow, get confident and enjoy making music. Today I want to take you behind the scenes of something I've been working for quite a while. It's a mini course for beginner bass players. It's small, it's practical, it's informative, and it gives you everything you need to get started the right way. But before I'll tell you more about it, let me show you what's inside. In the course we start right from the basics, what the bass guitar actually is and why it's such a powerful instrument. How to hold it comfortably so that your hands, your shoulders and your back don't suffer later. How to position your right and left hands for clean, controlled playing. How to get your fingers moving with simple, effective exercises, and how to tune your bass. Nothing overwhelming, just the essential every bass player needs, but explained step by step, the same way I teach my in-person students. You'll also learn about different types of bass guitars, pickups, and how sound is actually produced. This is something a lot of beginners skip, but once you understand it, your tone, your technique and your musical choices improve immediately. Let me show you a quick sample. For example, when we talk about hand positions and posture, I show you how to find your natural, relaxed placement and how to avoid unnecessary tension. I'm a big fan of what I call the cheetah rule. It's using the muscles you actually need and keeping everything else relaxed. It sounds funny, but it works and you'll feel the difference instantly. We'll also go through tuning step by step because yes, tuning matters and yes, many beginners do struggle with it. I'll show you the easiest way to do it and I'll also show you a trick that will make your tuning much more stable. And of course, we can't forget about the classic 1, 2, 3, 4 exercises. They might look simple, but they are gold. They prepare both of your hands literally for every bass line you will ever play. This mini course will be perfect for you if you are just starting your bass journey or you've been kinda playing but you feel like you missed some basics. If you want a clean technique from day one, or you simply want a short structured boost to your fundamentals. It's 7 videos, straight to the point and packed with the most important things I teach every new student. You'll come away knowing how to hold your bass safely and comfortably, how to use your hands efficiently, how to tune your bass, how to start playing smoothly, and how to practice with purpose. Some of you already know that I teach privately and I simply see what my students need, and to be honest, it's so much simpler to build the good habits from the start rather than fixing the bad ones. So first I wanted to create a big course with all the essential music theory and exercises, but it turned out to be a really time-consuming job and I've never finished it. Instead, I decided to make a small course with just very basic but important stuff which you really need to know when you're just starting playing the bass. This mini course gives you the essentials properly, in a way that's simple, clear, friendly and actually doable. That's what this course is. This mini course is now available and you can find the link in the description below. It's priced affordably because I want every beginner to have access to a solid start. But I also wanted to make something complete, something that's not just a random sample from my channel, but a guided path that will help you from the very first moment you pick up your bass. If you enjoy my teaching here on YouTube, I think you will really find it good and useful. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments about the course, about your technique, and actually anything bass related. I always love hearing from you. And of course, if you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want, and share this with someone who's just starting their bass journey. Thank you for being here and happy practicing! See you in the course or in the next YouTube lesson!